Athenahealth Review and Tutorial. Is it the right healthcare management solution for your practice? Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host, Jason. Athenahealth offers a comprehensive cloud-based suite of services designed to streamline operations, enhance patient care, and improve financial performance. But is it the right fit for your practice? Well, in this tutorial, I'll be diving into Athenahealth's features, use cases, pros and cons, and user reviews to help you make an informed decision. We'll kick things off by talking about what is Athenahealth and how does it work. Athenahealth provides an integrated suite of cloud-based services known as Athena One, which includes electronic health records. So this is an intuitive, customizable EHR system that supports specialty-specific workflows and simplifies documentation through features like best practice templates, macros, and mobile accessibility. It also has medical billing and practice management tools designed to boost efficiency and collections, offering real-time insights into financial performance and reducing administrative burdens. This feature, they offer communication and care tools that enhance patient relationships, include patient portals, self-scheduling options, and automated reminders. These integrated services aim to improve clinical effectiveness, patient experience, and financial outcomes for healthcare providers. Now let's talk about some use cases. So who is Athenahealth for? Athenahealth caters to a wide range of healthcare organizations, including small to medium-sized practices, seeking to streamline operations and improve care coordination without significant upfront investments. It is also a good option for large medical groups and healthcare systems. Requiring scalable solutions to manage complex workflows and multiple specialties. In addition, Athenahealth is a good option for federally qualified health centers needing robust reporting and compliance tools to meet regulatory requirements. And it can also be used for specialty practices such as behavioral health, orthopedics, pediatrics, and women's health, benefiting from tailored workflows and documentation templates. Now let's talk about some pros and cons of Athenahealth. First, let's talk about some pros. Comprehensive feature set, as it offers a wide range of functionalities, including EHR, practice management, billing, and patient engagement, all within a single platform. It also offers customizable and specialty-specific workflows, allowing practices to tailor the system to their specific needs, enhancing usability and efficiency. And their cloud-based accessibility enables secure access to patient records and practice management tools from any location with internet connectivity. And last but definitely not least, strong customer support, as Athenahealth provides 24/7 live support via phone, email, chat, or web, with most issues resolved within one business day. The only pullback I would say when it comes onto Athenahealth, there is a learning curve, so some users report that the system is not the most intuitive, with clunky navigation and requirement to return to the home screen after completing tasks, which can be frustrating. Also, the user interface concerns. Certain users find the layout confusing, requiring multiple clicks to access different parts of a patient's chart, and also patient portal issues. Some patients have reported difficulties logging into the patient portal, with inadequate support from Athenahealth to resolve these issues. Now let's check out user reviews. For instance, we are on Yelp, and this is their Yelp page, and if we were to scroll down, we can read customer feedbacks. Beware, this portal scrapes and displays incorrect information. My eye doctor's practice began using Athenahealth, and when I reviewed my medical history in it, I was horrified to find that not only had it somehow scraped every drug I had ever been prescribed from different providers, none of which I had entered into the system, and none of which had anything to do with my eyes, but much worse, it had assigned made-up diagnosis to these drugs. And you can scroll down and you can see other persons talking about their experience right there. So they don't have any positive review really. And if we were to also go onto Reddit, you can see right here other persons are talking about their experience, and this person has an horrible experience, as you can see right there. And if we were to check out their Trustpilot rating, they have a 2-star rating out of 5. And if you were to scroll down, you can see right there on user friendly, very frustrating to use. So they have a lot of negative reviews. So that's basically it. Hope you found this review and tutorial helpful. And by the way, the pricing plan, you would have to request their pricing plan, but typically their basic license starts off at $140 per provider per month, and it is billed annually. So for example, a practice with 5 physicians would pay a minimum of $700 per month or $8,400 annually. Keep in mind there can also be additional costs. For instance, services such as data migration, custom integration, and training can add up. For instance, migrating up to 1,000 patient records and providing a couple of training sessions would increase startup costs by approximately $1,000, bringing the total to $9,400 in the first year for a 5-person physician practice. Hope you found this review helpful and informative.